Respected correspondent sir, headmaster sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Ahmad Ali of 5th standard. Today I feel overjoyed to stand here and tell about the New Year's resolution. So friends, can you tell me what are your New Year's resolutions for 2025? Maybe it's dedicating more time to your studies. More time to your studies. Being kinder to yourself and others, or discovering a new hobby, discovering a new hobby, whatever it is. Let your resolutions what be a roadmap guiding you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you and happy new year.